I'm going to show you a couple of easy ways that you can improve your smart home with a few great new devices. This video is brought to you by Aqara, a brand that I've been using in my home for literally years. They make a huge array of smart home devices that are tailored to your every need. Personally, I've been using the G4 wireless video doorbell, one of the only wireless doorbells to support HomeKit secure video, by the way, to monitor the back of my porch. I use the FP2 presence sensor to automate my lights. A presence sensor, by the way, is far more accurate than a motion sensor, and you can even split it into multiple virtual sensors that all can have their own automations and rules. Of course, I also feed my cat with Aqara's pet feeder. One of the reasons I've historically been drawn to Aqara is that the products are very affordable, and they're quick adopters of features for Apple Home, including the recently released products that I'm about to show you. Sure, if you happen to use other platforms too, you're good to go. There's verbose support for Amazon, Google, SmartThings, and as of lately, they've been pioneers of Matter. I want to show you the product that I'm most excited for first, the new U200 Smart Lock. This thing is crazy, and you may have even heard me talk about it on the HomeKit Insider podcast, found wherever podcasts are enjoyed. The U200 is a native Matter retrofit door lock. Super easy to replace your existing door lock and designed for both US deadbolts as well as European Mortise style locks. If you have a Euro style lock, this does have the emergency function too that allows it to be unlocked with a key even if one's already inserted on the inside. You can unlock the U200 via the Aqara app, the Home app, automatically as you approach using a passcode, fingerprint, an NFC tag, a physical key, or Apple Home Key. I personally like using Apple Home Key because it's built right in natively to my iPhone and Apple Watch, but I know a lot of people who are fans of the fingerprint reader. The U200 can hold up to 50 fingerprints and it reads them in a fraction of a second. This will be Aqara's first Matter over Thread smart lock, both amazing new technologies. Thread is the method it connects, which is super low power and creates a robust mesh network across your home with other Thread devices. Plus, it's self-healing. Matter is the new smart home standard that allows this to work seamlessly with all major smart home platforms, including Apple Home. Pairing this lock with the Aqara M3 hub gets you even more features, including the automatic unlocking feature that I talked about before. As another option, there's the U50 smart lock. This one is even more affordable, but lacks the fingerprint reader and robust EU support that the U200 has. What makes it great though is that it has a simple, all-in-one design and can be rekeyed. You install it, replacing your existing door lock, and you can have the cylinder rekeyed to match your existing ones. Even better, it can alert you if your door has been left open. You'll get an alert in the app that the door is slightly ajar. I've got 3 dogs running around this place and I do not need them escaping out the front door. I'm always worried that the door will be left open, and these alerts are super handy. If you want to use these products on their own, you totally can, but they get a lot more powerful when they have friends, like the M3 hub that I mentioned earlier. The Aqara M3 hub supports Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, infrared, Zigbee, and Thread. It works as a Thread border router, and you can connect basically all of your smart devices to it. That means it supports the full range of Aqara Zigbee devices, and you can use it as an IR blaster to control non-smart products like fans, TVs, and more. If you're watching this right now, right when it went live, keep your eyes peeled for a bunch of Prime Day discounts on many Aqara products, including the U200, U50, and the M3 hub featured in this video. Those will be dropping on July 16th. Learn more at the links in the description and that's pinned in the comments. Thanks again to Aqara for sponsoring this video.